Hello and welcome to this channel. I'm David Monteiro and I'm a tour guide for Portugal and Spain. You can find more information on my website davidmonteiro.me. Calheiros is a small parish in Ponte de Lima's municipality in Portugal, with less than 1,000 inhabitants in 9 square kilometers, and where we'll find the manor house called Paço de Calheiros. Paço de Calheiros, or Paço of Calheiros if you prefer, is a 17th century manor house belonging to the family Calheiros, today also serving as a hotel unit. This manor house is owned by the Count of Calheiros, Francisco Calheiros, the third Count of Calheiros. The family name was given to the village where it is located. The history of this manor house will be subject to another episode. In this one I want to develop an approach to a very different angle. It all started when I watched an helicopter taking water from the swimming pool of Paço de Calheiros. Right after, I was still under the commotion of the events, thoughts about living in a small village came to mind. In small communities, the spirit of mutual help is in the essence of its existence. Throughout my experience with communities such as this one, I learned that the importance of mutual help goes much beyond the apparent need. It is a behavior valued and recognized among its most dedicated members. In the community that received Count Calheiros' family name, it is not expected anything else from one of its most illustrious members, the Count itself. If I'm asked if this was not supposed to happen, my answer is yes, it is supposed to happen. Still, it may be not so obvious, especially in light of previous centuries' history. In the description below, you'll find a link to the full text on this subject. You will also find the two historical situations that could have affected the family/village relation. However, despite these historical events that could cool down the Count's sense of dedication to his country and fellow neighbors, I only witnessed proof of responsibility and companionship to the village that adopted his family name. Facing such situations, I have a warm feeling telling me there is still hope for the world. Hello again. Thank you for spending your time with me. Check the description for more details about this episode. For more information, you can also access my website at davidmonteiro.me. The way you can help me is to share this episode with your friends and family. It is easy for you and very important for me. Keep yourself happy and safe, and until we meet again.